You get to the 20th of the month and your bank account is already in the red. The bills aren't waiting, and the feeling of suffocation is real. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to give you practical, proven solutions so you can regain control of your money and stop living with that constant stress. Stay until the end because I'm going to give you a 5-step plan so you'll never feel like the month drags on again. Recognize the problem and analyze. The first step isn't making more money. It's knowing exactly where the money you already have is going. 80% of people who can't make ends meet have never really tracked their spending. Practical action. Write down all your expenses for a month, even that €1.50 coffee. Use a free app like Fintonic, Monify, or simply an Excel spreadsheet. Reduce invisible expenses. There are money leaks we don't see, subscriptions we don't use, impulsive spending, and little cravings that add up to more than you think. Real example. If you have 4 streaming subscriptions and only use 2, you have €20 or €30 a month that you can free up right now. Quick tip. Take the freezer test. Freeze any non-essential spending for 30 days. And if you still want it after that time, buy it. Optimize fixed costs. Fixed expenses are like big stones in a backpack. Rent, electricity, phone, but we can often make them smaller. Concrete solutions. Negotiate your internet or mobile rate. Call and say you have a better offer from the competition. Review your electricity and gas contracts. In 2025, there are free price comparison tools that will find you the cheapest rate. If you pay rent, consider sharing a home or renting a room. Increase income. Sometimes the problem isn't spending too much, it's earning too little. Immediate actions. Quick extra income. Selling things you don't use on Wallapop, Vinted, eBay, Express, freelancers platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for one-off jobs, overtime or temporary work. Delivery, paid surveys, private lessons. When it's an expiring example, a follower told me that in 3 months, by selling used clothes and teaching online classes, he went from being in the red to having a €500 nest egg. Emergency plan 50-30-20. When you manage to stabilize, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essential expenses, 30% for personal expenses, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Not making ends meet isn't a punishment, it's a sign that you need a plan, and now you have it. Start today and you'll see results sooner than you imagine. And tell me in the comments which of these steps you are going to apply first. If you want more strategies to improve your finances, subscribe and activate the bell.